What is up, everyone? So, today is that day. RJ. Today we are doing Submail! Alright, so if you guys are new to the channel, you've never seen one of these videos before, Submail. We have our P.O. box in the description. Our subscribers send us mystery packages. Sometimes it's useful things, sometimes it's gross things that RJ will eat. Sometimes it's just thoughtful gifts. It's surprise packages. We always have a blast doing it. And well, today we have accumulated quite a few packages from you guys. And well, the whole gang's here to open them up. Sound good?
Sounds great.
Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, you got it.
Okay. New Zealand.
That one came in today.
Ooh.
Did it really?
Yeah. You got
Oh, freshie. Don't cut it though. You might want to use your hands on that one.
You can just rip. It's already ripped.
Drippy black tees.
Oh my.
Oh, we got a lot of t-shirts out
Okay.
there.
Wow.
No, first, Jimmy, don't film it.
I brought the specs.
Specs.
Thank you for your support. Really appreciate it, mate. And we couldn't do it without you. As a bonus, you can use this coupon for 15% off your next Ernest or HPA clothing order. Excuse me. HPA 15.
There you go.
Enjoy. Regards, Taz Quinn Walsh, customer support. And there is
Taz? That's a tight
There we
name.
You've taken a bunch of their courses, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. Check it out. Ooh, drip for the whole gang. You get a t-shirt. You get a t-shirt.
Wow, those are...
You get a t-shirt. Jesse, you can get a t-shirt too.
I got an extra large. What do you got?
Medium.
Perfect.
Switch.
Tuning is not magic. It's a science you can learn. Right, B?
It is a science.
Jimmy's a
These are
scientist.
nice.
I say it all the time.
A shout out to our friends down at HP Academy. If you want to check out their course, I'll put the link in the description. If you want discount on their merch, well, you guys just heard it. Sound good?
15%, man. Yeah.
And what we got? Amazon?
I had a ball on my nose. From one engineer to another, please stop using worm clamps. I don't know what that is, but these will change your life. I'm far from a stance boy, but an OG subscriber. Check out my 81 Toyota rock crawler at Kevin11 Mike from Kevin Coulter.
Let's see what he's saying. Ooh. So these are like one-time use hose clamps. So you use this tool right here.
Yeah. Put one on Ant's finger to demonstrate.
And then you squeeze that. Should
Squeeze
I do
it?
it?
Yeah, squeeze it. Boom, tightens that hose.
It's never coming off.
That's fire.
Well, you could take it off. Never say never. Justin Bieber. All right, now explain how it comes off. Cut it off and get a new one. With the same tool.
Kevin, thank you so much, buddy. These things are really awesome, and it'll clean up the builds for sure. All right, Stevie, you pick a good one.
I was thinking about this one. I don't like the sound of the things inside.
This one looks foreign. I like this
I
one.
like this one. This one's from Australia.
Jesus, Steve.
Never seen anybody cut it like that before.
Is that not a good cut? I think that was the way to cut it. So you got some coconut butter. Emu oil. Oh my bad. I gotta get the the emu oil threw me off. Nice.
I like that.
Dear Jimmy and the gang, been watching Jimmy since had a broken arm and a Subaru.
Damn.
I put together this Aussie care package to say thanks for the fire content from Tim at Stuntman Tim Lives. I like this guy. He got some stuff in here. We're going straight to the emu oil. I think this is for skin application. Apply gently onto body, face, and neck in the morning. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Very important.
Is this legal in America?
Oh no, this is a bar of soap.
What we got?
Australian botanical soap, vitamin, a lot of vitamin E.
I think that was for Hee-Haw. He sent this
Yo,
to you.
Stuntman Tim's really into self-care, I gotta say.
Goat milk? Damn, this is fire. He's said some good stuff, bro. Like, no
Was this addressed to me? Because this is all stuff I love.
This is awesome.
Oh,
Plates.
cool.
Queensland, Sunshine State.
We're gonna hang those up any day now.
Any day now, stop DMing me.
Oh, Vegemite. You guys have tried to put us on the Vegemite so many times.
But we tried it, remember? Look, we did it. We tried it. This is exactly what we did with it.
Don't disrespect them like that.
Australia, everything about you is fantastic except for that.
What is it? Kangaroo jerky for bigger dogs.
Is that really made of kangaroo?
Ingredients: whole kangaroo muscle meat, potato.
Whoa! I'm about this.
Let me know how kangaroo tastes. I'm so curious right now.
You know what they call female dogs, right?
My God.
It don't smell that bad. It smells like pepperoni.
That doesn't smell like pepperoni to
And we'll eat it. And eat it.
If RJ eats one. I don't want to. I want to.
Don't you want to say you've ate kangaroo before?
No.
Take a bite of it.
I don't want to.
You gotta.
I don't want to. It's in your contract.
Oh, nibble.
Attaboy.
I
How's kangaroo taste?
It tastes like poop.
No panic.
You're a sicko.
It's really not that bad.
No way.
Coconut chili sauce.
Tim Tams, we love the Tim Tams. Are these Australian high chews?
Pretty much. Shouts to the man, stunt man Tim Lives. He went crazy.
Yeah, great package.
Streets
Thank you.
love this package.
Hi,
Sounds like a lot of
Juice.
stuff. Oh wow. Okay, they're trying to get us thick out here.
Thick boys.
You mean thicker?
Oh, here we go. Here we go. You gotta know.
Oh, that other bag looked fantastic.
This one's a hitter. Jimmy and gang, enjoy the snacks. These ratcheting line wrenches are great for brake lines. Sam.
Simple no, I love that.
I love that, right?
Would.
The cream candy. Is this the thing when you can eat the wrapper?
Oh, the rice paper. It's wrapped in rice paper, right?
See, she knows.
Yeah, those are awesome. I'll take
Oh
those
man,
too.
these
Thank
look
you.
crazy.
Those look real good.
Yeah.
That's
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Peach
Your boy
Cheetos.
loves the peach rings.
That's so
You see
good.
this?
The
Look at
peach
Ant.
Jimmy O.
Ant's got a big ass head. Still bigger than his head.
5 pounds.
That's amazing. And then we got the ratcheting line wrenches. That's cool.
Nice.
Look at it. You slip the line in there, slip it on, get that brake line off.
Convenient.
That is good. We got a 10
10
mil
and a 12.
and a 12. These are hitters right here. All right. Oh, that's stuck now. Thank you, Sam. All right, RJ, your turn, buddy.
I want to do this one.
Is anything even in there?
Yeah, it's got on the floor. All right, RJ, just show us what's in the pack. Maybe there's a note inside of there. Oh, boy.
I think somebody sent one of these one time.
I think so too. Oh,
Oh, that's so sick. It's red.
Wow.
no way.
That's cool.
He dripped out.
Oh, your car's
That's way too cool.
No way.
36 though, with the black bumpers.
No, he killed it on that one.
That is
All
so
of them are
good.
fire.
He killed
dude.
it on that one.
That's Brian Moore.
Brian Moore.
Brian Moore.
Brian Moore, whatever your
We need more
Instagram
of
is.
them.
These are fire. With the bricks. The S13's hard.
Red seats and all. Wow, he killed it. on that one.
Oh
It's
my
so good.
god.
That's an A+ right there.
I'll do this one.
Nice car.
Man, this is thank you.
Ooh,
What'd you buy this for?
it's Mick. It's
You know these people?
Mick Woods.
Oh, it's mixed?
Yeah.
Is it Mick?
Yeah.
I love Mick.
Look at it. How cute.
Oh no! Don't rip it.
Big love from Mick. Mick is Josh James's best friend and a good friend of ours, and he started a jewelry company, and they're really cool. So now we'll see it.
Sending some jewelry to the boys.
Some
Yeah,
drippery.
DJ, you're gonna love this.
All right, first off, got the air
Yeah.
fresheners.
Yes,
Those
sir.
are pretty sick. It's a little diamond.
Fresh soap.
Smells nice.
Nice boxes.
Wow.
Packaging.
There you go. Oh, it's a steering wheel.
Ooh.
That's pretty sick.
So, his company is named NE1 Jewelry because it's for anyone. Duh. All right, Brian.
Ah.
Ooh, with the gold.
The gold hits.
That's super cool. Oh, and it's got its logo on it. Oh,
Yeah, no, it's pretty
They will
sick.
focus. Nice work, Mick boy.
Faison length.
Who wears it
Oh,
better?
that's perfect.
Who wears it?
Oh, I love this. It's perfect
I
length.
think Patty got me, but
Thanks, Mick.
layers nice from Olive J.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Did he put like his card or anything in there?
He
'Cause
put
if
a
not,
card in.
there's his
Nice.
mix page right there.
Check them out.
Check out our boy.
So cute.
Take it easy. Hey guys, it's Grubby, and today we're opening packages.
Big.
Damn. Oh man, Grubby.
Hello, Jimmy and the gang. My name is Kyle, and I'm a newish subscriber to the channel. Although I've known about Mr. Jimmy since the discovery of your channel around the time of the rear-wheel drive Civic build, I've been completely binged out, almost watching your videos every day. The chemistry between you and all the guys makes me wish I had more friends around here.
What about me?
And Steph. In this package are some goods. I started a brand, Instagram business, car page, back in 2018 called Static Life. Static is the way to go, guys.
Yeah, RJ.
Not about that. Not about it.
Lose the
Bags. Bags are for groceries.
Right now, I just specialize in stickers, so I figured I'd hook you guys up with some of my favorite. This is sent by Kyle at Static Life. P.S. Don't forget to pay RJ, and if you follow me, I will cry.
I talk to this guy all the time on Instagram. He's really cool.
Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got.
Ooh,
okay.
Fast and the Furious edition.
Love that.
I don't think this was in the movie, but you know.
They know.
Yeah, I like the banana high chews. They're really, really good.
They are really good.
Death before bags.
Thanks. Here, RJ.
Guess I'm gonna go die.
Great matters, bro. True facts.
Oh, I want
Old
this one on the car. This is a good one.
Thank you, Kyle. We love it. Static for life.
So I wanted to open this one real quick before we get farther in the video. So this one I opened up earlier, but I didn't really dig into it yet. So this is actually a package from one of our close homie YouTuber friends, and that is the Moist Boys. Ooh. The Smallville gang themselves. Just quick peek. Ooh. A lot of stuff. All right, check it out. So, hey Jimmy, hope you and the guys aren't too cocked by this worldwide panorama. Thought you guys would use some of our scientifically approved safety sunnies in cool ass flags. Also, there's a pair of gloves for plus 40 horsepower in your next event. Hope to see you on cool small wheels soon. Our YouTube views are a bit dog water at the moment. Okay, it's a little sloppy. Whatever. My handwriting's not much better. But you motivate us to keep making fire ass content. Much love, the Moist Boys. Check them out on Instagram and YouTube.
Watch them. They got some cool cars and stuff. I definitely mess with the small wheels.
P.S. If you shout out our YouTube channel, we will consider forgiving you for your big ass dumbass wheels. That is all. Thank you for reading. So let's see what the boys sent us. I'll tell you what, they do kill it on the merch game. They got some really cool products. So.
I see drippy logos.
Okay, first off, I want to open the sunnies as they call it. Check that out.
Those are like the joints when you get your pupils dilated. That's the Jose Canseco Draco.
That's it.
Ooh, they fit you.
Oh man.
Those are hard.
Not bad, right?
You can't wear those unless you have a diesel truck.
And there you go. Dude, that's the look.
I ain't gonna get nothing in my eyes.
All right, so let's check it out. We got some flags too. We got a lot of flags actually. That's sick. Everyone open a flag. Open a flag. Open a flag. You get a flag. You get a flag. That's all the flags. Oh man, oh, check that one out.
Nice.
I need one for the crib.
Where the fuck is the red 80?
86s are pretty freaking cool. Style is not a crime.
Is that a Vic?
The cop car?
That is a Vic on small wheels.
Hell yeah. Love that.
Hey.
That one's hard.
The Moist Boys. So as you guys can see, they kill it with the flags. We got more stuff to dig into. So they gave us an endless amount of air fresheners. So everyone's car could be smelling nice right now. Oh, the High Chews logo. Oh, they killed out at that one.
Hell yeah.
Oh, we got mad sunnies. I didn't realize we got so many sunnies.
These are so fire.
Wow, these are big on my back. Hook me up.
Bow. And
Who you know here?
they have their own cup holders. Damn, we gotta step our game up, RJ.
I'm trying.
40 horsepower gloves right here. I love those. Those are actually, dude, look at the package. They kill it with this stuff. They kill it. Last piece of the puzzle I'm gonna show you guys right now. Shift knobs. How cool is this?
That was
This
smooth.
is fire.
Do I not need one of those?
You have a different style.
Fit on your car.
Yeah, BMWs are different.
Those are dope.
Why? They just screw on, right?
No, yours
No.
slips on. Yours doesn't screw on.
Well, you could change that whole piece. We're good. I'm using
Dude,
it.
check these things out. I actually love this. It's weighted.
Are they all the
It's
same?
got a perfect size. It's got their logo on it.
Nice.
Honestly,
How heavy is it?
check it out.
You're not a moist
Ooh, that's a
boy,
good
Kyle.
one.
That's what I'm saying.
No.
After this video, go check out the Moist Boys and tell them we said thank you. They deserve the view, for sure.
Ooh, there we go.
It's gonna fit, right thread pitch?
Let's see.
Ooh, it's the right thread pitch!
Ooh.
Dude, that's so fire in here.
Look at that. I can see it now. Wow, that looks great. Bri, come check it out.
Oh wow. You see that two shift?
Shout out the Moist Boys.
Moist Boys in the van.
Now you need some cool.
Dripter.
I'll cut one. You cut one.
Thank you. This is
Man.
sweet. Sup, boys? I've got some Hot Wheels y'all might like and some Oregon plates. Keep up the good work. P.S. I have a YouTube channel trying to get it to 1,000 subs. Zach's super cool YouTube channel.
I'm subbing to it right now.
What a great name.
Find him.
Is that his
This
YouTube
right
name?
here.
How was he the first person to come up with that name?
Right?
Yeah, I feel like that should be everyone's channel.
I'm gonna change my channel name now.
Jimmy's super cool YouTube channel. Literally is Zach's super cool YouTube channel.
Is this him?
There's a bunch of super cool stuff.
Yeah.
Get our mans to 1,000.
I'm gonna add one right now.
Click.
Spling.
Boom. All right, open it up. Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right,
Damn,
you get one.
All right.
Datsun 510.
It's on Skyline GTR.
Love that.
Cute. It's the RX-7.
Love
Cute.
that.
Oh shit.
Oh, the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa.
That's sick.
That's fine. Oh, these are all really good ones.
Oh.
Yes, Eclipse.
I lost this one like it wasn't good.
Hey.
Miata.
Love that.
It's cute.
Oh, that one's. I've never seen a kooky
S14.
before.
That's good.
That is super cool with the
Wait a
underglow.
minute. How do you say that?
Oh, a Koki.
Yeah. Let's practice. Let's practice.
different in the US.
Koki. Right?
Sam it?
It's just your accent. It's just your accent.
Yeah, it's just my hair. It's a beautiful Koki.
New England.
Happy now, Sam it. And one for you, and one for you.
Oregon.
All right, Kat. It's all you. RJ, you want to introduce Kat?
This is my girlfriend, Kat.
Hello.
I love her.
What a nerd.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a note.
Enjoy your gift.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
From
From
Chorspin.
However you pronounce that.
Thanks, guy.
Okay, okay. We got some shop supplies.
lots of zip ties.
Lots of zip ties.
Lots.
And how badly do we need zip ties right now?
Badly.
This is perfect timing. Thank you. Oh, we got an assortment. Oh my God, these things are gold around here. Oh,
Oh yeah.
the cutting tool?
That's what needed.
He set us all up.
Are they there?
Deburring kit. Oh, no way. Take this, take this. This is like one of those things that it's not expensive or anything, but every time you're like, man, I wish I had one of
When
these
you
right
need
now.
it, you need it.
When you need it, yeah. This is
I think his name is Chris.
show you right now, RJ, right?
I'm ready for a lesson.
It's a whole deburr.
It's a
Bend
whole.
over and we'll show you. Whoa.
Teach
Check
me,
this thing
sensei.
out, right? So right here we have this little hook thing right here.
What the?
So this is for deburring the edge of metal. Show you real
Drill a hole.
quick.
Come on.
Say you just cut a fresh piece of piping. Got to clean it up. You take this sharp edge right here. And look at that. It
Just
cuts
clean the edge.
right into the edge and cleans it right up. You see that? Look at that. Prepped nice and clean for Johnny to lay some welds. Can't beat that.
Feels like clothes.
Or a pillow.
Oh, that would be cool.
Could be a PlayStation.
I just bought a new pillow today. Hey Jimmy, I love the builds. Your videos always feel like another day hanging out with friends. Recently started a brand and thought you'd enjoy some of them. IG Midnight Midnight Dreamers Apparel. I want to open up that
Okay,
one.
I'm gonna open up this one.
Oh, the tan one is hot. Your favorite kind of shirt?
Nice for the winter.
that's so
Oh my
dope.
god.
Look how gas that ant is like, I need that.
That is sick.
Dude, look how cool that is.
Oh man.
Godzilla?
I like the pink one with the white.
The pink with the Supra.
These are really cool. So
Your illustrator.
I give it props though, because we've seen a lot of merch brands try to integrate cars into merch, right? It's very difficult. Cars are very like just blunt objects, and they usually don't tend to blend in too well in t-shirts, but he did a really good job integrating vehicles with the design, right?
Tasteful.
Very tasteful. Like, look at
This
that.
is good. This is good. Great color choices
Super
too.
one? I love that.
Very
I wish
cute.
this was an XL.
Midnight Dreamers Apparel. Google that shit. I know you're eyeing it.
He doesn't know where
Thank
Beefy Boy is. He doesn't know where Beefy Boy is. Extra larges, please.
There you guys go. There, that concludes another episode of Submail. All I have to say is huge thank you to everyone who participated, everyone who sent us a package. I always say it, we have the best subscribers ever. You guys are so thoughtful, super creative, and well, it's awesome to be able to do something like this. So huge thank you to everyone. If you guys want to be a part of it, P.O. Box is always in the description. Send us something funny, send us something cool, send us something useful, send us whatever. We always have a blast opening it up and just enjoying time with the friends. So with that, we got some work to do, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And everyone,
Have a good night.